Hi, I'm again in this game. Not again, like I don't know if you watched the last vlog. This will be the next vlog, I guess. And I'm standing in my washroom. I'm getting ready to go out somewhere. Like I'm going to Dubai Mall. Chumma I'm going, nothing important. So yeah, will take you around. I thought of vlogging. I don't know. I'll take only this vlog and I'll upload it, or I'll vlog 2 more days and I'll club together and I'll upload. Let's see. But we are running late as usual, and I have to get ready now. I'm doing my makeup in my washroom, and I applied a wrong concealer. Oh shit. You can comment, guys. Comment whatever you want, whatever you want. I like what to say. Yeah, replying to your comments. I like reading your comments. So please do comment. No issues. And I'm in a very weird angle, and my makeup is not doing good today. I don't know why.
हंड्रेड का आज ये देना मेरे को, ठीक है? 101
Ayan.
Why?
Go to. I mean, go near me and say hi.
I just came near to you and you forgot English.
What?
Huh?
Say hi.
गाइस मैं बढ़िया नहीं लग रहा हूँ, मेरे बाल भी बढ़िया नहीं लग रहे, जबरदस्ती ना मेरे को व्लॉगिंग करवा रही है.
Why this is too bright?
Now it's not right.
Ah.
One touch. See? One touch. Everything is melt.
No vlog. No.
No.
बस ब्रास कम कर.
Exposure.
Brass is for speak. शर्म नहीं आती?
आती है लेकिन बहुत जल्दी चली भी जाती है.
You are like this train.
وهي محطة انتقالية بين
You know Shah Rukh Khan?
If I talk from here, how you can hear this? Oh, I have mic now. Take.
Okay.
இப்போ நான் என்ன பார்த்துருக்கேன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, எனக்கு பிடிச்ச ஒரு இடம் பார்த்துருக்கேன். எந்த இடம்னு காட்டவா? இந்த பர்ஃப்யூம் ஷாப் தான் பார்த்துருக்கேன் நான். இது ஐம் லாபரிங். இந்த மாதிரி இடம் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, உங்களுக்கு பர்ஃப்யூம் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன்.
I'm going far.
Why?
I'm covering this, bacha.
உங்களுக்கு பர்ஃப்யூம் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இட் ஃபீல்ஸ் லைக் ஐம் நாட் டாக்கிங் இட் ஐம் நாட் மைக் அண்ட் ஆல். சரி, ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு பர்ஃப்யூம் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன்.
Okay.
பை சாப். உங்களுக்கு பர்ஃப்யூம் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், இந்த ஷாப்புக்கு வந்து பாருங்க. நீங்கள் பர்ஃப்யூம் வாங்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை, இது பார்த்தாலே போதும். Check it. Now you tell in your language what we saw.
इतने सारे परफ्यूम.
इतने सारे perfume. All in one shop.
All in one shop. We found that much perfumes.
How
All
was-
perfumes were famous perfumes.
How was the what's that like design of the shop? Unique.
I'll tell in your style. It was like.
Check it.
I am not
16 kilometers. Huh?
I will not let you shoot. Tourists. What we are doing?
We are in search of one lipstick shop. It's a designer, not designer, like
Okay.
customizable lipstick shop.
But what happened with us?
Huh? We went in a wrong route. Wrong means wrong route we went. And unnecessarily we are roaming around Dubai Mall. And now we took the map. Habibi.
You na you. Some one day na one day. One day.
Damal.
Damal. Hey, I will click picture here. Come. Hey, where are you? Chuma, sorry.
It's not coming.
It has to come.
Hey, don't break it, Ayan. I don't have that much money to pay, please. Hey, wait now.
We'll keep up this.
Hey,
Good.
that thing is nice. This lipstick only we came to buy.
Huh?
This lipstick only we came to buy. What's special in this lipstick is Ganta, it's not coming, idiot. What's special in this lipstick is I'm talking, idiot. Either show the product or show me. What kind of videographer you are?
Okay,
In
two
every video
products
you
are here. One is
I'm product.
YouTube product.
Yeah, this lipstick only we came to buy. In this lipstick, they will engrave your name and all and give it seems.
Where?
This is not lipstick. This is plastic.
But where they are? Oh,
See. Engrave your case with initials, a name or message in your gold or silver craft, unique piece only.
Talk. She's going for only perfume.
Yeah.
Anyone is nice? Huh?
I don't even know. It's perfume only. What if it's room spray? One day what happened, you know? What Ayan did, you know? In our friend's place.
Tell everyone.
I will tell.
What is nice on the ear?
You smell this now.
Huh? Huh? What happened, you know? Bacha, what happened, you know, with him?
Would say what?
Yeah, he thought that lipstick will come in 150. The case price is only 150. Where do you want to go?
Huh?
Where? There. There. The way is too long.
Huh?
You have to go from there like through, and then doom, and then like this. Are you ready?
Oh, we have
Hello?
to go from.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll go. Hello.
சும்மா சீன் போடுறாங்க உள்ள இது ஒரு டம்மி ஷாப் தான் என்ன ஷாப்லாம் பெருசா தெரியல உள்ள போய் வீடியோ எடுத்தா வீடியோலாம் எடுக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்றானுங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே உள்ள பர்ஃப்யூம் தான் இருக்கு எந்த பர்ஃப்யூமே நல்லா இல்லை எல்லாமே கேவலமாக இருந்துச்சு
Hello.
சென்டிடியூட்
What is this?
சென்டிடியூட்
Sentitude.
இல்லை இதுக்குள்ளேயும் பர்ஃப்யூம் தான் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் எல்லாமே சென்டிடியூட்னு வச்சுருக்காங்க நான் என்னோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பயோக்கு வந்துட்டு சென்டஹாலிக் பர்ஃப்யூம் நோ சென்டஹாலிக் அப்படின்னு வைக்கும் போது இப்படி யோசிச்சேன் சென்டிடியூட்னு வைக்கலாமான்னு இதெல்லாம் ஒரு பேரா வெயிட்னா
What a.
ஐயோ ஒருத்தன் தான் இருக்கு அப்போ உள்ளே போனால் வெறுப்பேற்றுவாங்க தட் பர்ஃப்யூம் வில் பி நைஸ்
Which one?
தட் ஒன் பிங்க்
Everything you know. Everything you know. Go.
Come, Habibis are coming behind.
Huh? So look here. Go in center. And now look. Smile.
Enough of my papas. Come.
We came for lipstick. Lipstick we didn't see. Fezzi, where is Fezzi? That also we don't know. See, Fezzi is there. There. In that shop.
No.
Yeah.
Show the queue of this shop.
What?
No, this shop. Da.
What is this?
Show the queue. Queue.
What is this?
The line only. How many people are standing in the line?
Say line na.
Queue.
From there you made me come down da. Huh?
Okay, we'll go. I'll make you try that perfume today, and you by yourself you will accept that and this are same only. Only that citrus perfume is. I mean citrus.
Lemon.
Smell. Yeah.
I know
Citrus
lemon
and,
only. I don't know citrus.
Lemon. Nimbu. Smell is not there.
Again we are going up. Chumma we went down. Chumma we are going up. You are not caring about me, seriously. What?
இங்க என்ன பிரச்சனை அப்படினா ஒரு ஷாப்பும் வந்து
भूख लग रही है मैंने और शॉप
each shop they, I mean for each brand they have a separate shop. அதனால இங்க வந்து எல்லாம் ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு.
ये बोल रही है
My social battery is getting down.
ये बोल रही है इन्ने 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 ऊपर
ये मनीष मल्होत्रा.
हाँ
मनीष मल्होत्रा.
वेर इज मनीष मल्होत्रा या देखो लोगों ने नाम दे के मान बोला हमारे दोस्त मेरी दोस्त का नाम मेरे दोस्त की गर्लफ्रेंड के वास्ते आया हूँ 9,500 की लिपस्टिक खरीदी खाली
Show na.
हाँ सी
Show. No, show like this in camera I'm saying.
इन्ने दिखाए ना क्या बता what he did
Huh?
what he did
For his friend's girlfriend he
no
came
no
from
no no
Ajman to
that he said to us
Then
actual girlfriend बच्चा actual girlfriend see
actual girlfriend.
yeah
Huh?
hey you're not getting still you're not getting hey, for his friends like seriously you're with him
Yeah.
huh
Yeah.
how come
How come means?
hey look his face can't you get down
Oh, for your girlfriend you bought.
oh
Then
whatever bacha
my leg is paining.
and
I'm craving for pani puri, bel puri.
no before
Dahi.
that what you were doing da
Huh?
you were giving lines to girls also
Allah Allah Allah.
huh
Tawba tawba
guys
tawba.
one shot one scene I shot I will only edit this vlog so I'll show you on the pitch
Now I'm feeling hungry and my leg is
And,
paining.
why she is walking behind her ask her now.
Behind her, hey.
Guys, do comments and only.
Hey.
And tell. See now, only she's going behind girls only.
Why? What I should do now? I'll go in front of her.
Huh? You should, but you tell me. Wait, bacha.
Okay, I
Let
will.
them go.
Okay. Hey.
Huh? Huh? No, where are you going? I want pani puri now. Huh? Tell. Tell.
What did you?
Guys, she's saying, don't say, why I'm using this camera, we can use that camera also. See, guys, she's saying, don't tell that secrets and all, like.
What secret? Hey, no secret at all.
She's looking to girls and all.
Hey.
Can you see?
No, they cannot see.
Yeah, they can see,
my
bacha. For looking only, they play.
my subscribers know about it.
Huh?
How would I?
Your subscribers. Subscribers.
अयान बारह चाल का सही
हाँ? क्यों? क्यों?
चाल
Bacha, who are standing there? Allah, Allah, see.
Hey, but she's nice.
Guys, now you can see. What?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
I'm not like
Oh,
other.
la,
no,
la,
no,
la,
no.
la, la.
I'm not like other girls.
No,
getting
why
jealous of-
we have to do like this? What is the meaning
I
of
not
this?
What?
What?
This no, I did not. I said
Okay,
they
guys,
look
can you see this scene? I'm repeating that scene also again. What she did?
Hey, this dear perfume is.
Flipping, how flipping.
Oh, Guru Nana, Shikamita, hoi hoi. Not
What are you doing? Oh,
Burj Khalifa, guys.
Burj Khalifa. Okay. Show Burj Khalifa. 3, 2, 1, and like this. Dun.
Burj Khalifa, guys. You should have.
How to
so-
sit? How to sit? Huh?
Like this.
Huh? Gawa village. Bacha, we were doing this thing when you know. Chiron the
चिरोन पी
Pani Puri should look like tapri only. Golgappe in Hindi we are calling Golgappe Pani Puri. In Marwadi we are saying puchka only. क्या पुचके बिना मतलब की पानी पूरी.
हे गाइस वेलकम टू पानी पूरी शॉप खट्टा मीठा
क्या खाना है आपका?
Golgappe.
ये
Puchka.
और
Why it's nice to know.
Yeah, but this material is different, I think. Yeah, this material. Yes. Huh? Oh, okay. This is, I think, the mix. What is it?
But kachori is we'll eat that one only.
That is kachori, that is katori.
He's saying pure Marwadi is kachori.
अरे एक ही कह रहा हूँ यार किन्हें कुछ कचौड़ी बोल रहा है
आप लोग ना लगा रहे हो मैं पूरी यार पूछा हाँ
बड़ी गाइस चले राजस्थानी लोग
Indian girl is eating that. She, Chennai girl is eating.
Chennai Golgappa is not over. Then
Taste it. Where your neck is only seeing.
sweet yeah. Sweet. Nice. Nice. You know good. Oh, you're shooting only. Yeah, it's like normal. Normal story. Huh? I'm not sure mine. I'm not sure. That was also nice. क्या मजा आएगा बैठा वो पानी दे ले थोड़ा दे Hey, why you came here, you know? Hey, Azim, come here, man. Fajar, come here, man. Huh?
Hey.
Give that mat karo.
Undi. Anything you want to tell in English.
Yeah.
English.
What?
Doesn't look same.
Huh?
मुझे अलग-अलग है ये अलग है वो अलग
It's same only.
है
Yeah, I'm going to eat.
How much you ate for sale?
I ate pani puri,
Huh?
bel puri.
Huh?
No, I ate pani puri, bel puri.
Idea is the chairman or chairman.
Motte, Umaid Ali Khan. Ayan, you are only shooting the vlog. You are selling our chairman Motte. Allah, Allah. I'm not in that office also.
Yeah, he's also having that much
Don't
luxuriness and all.
sugarcoat. Don't
No,
sugarcoat. You
no.
said Motte Umaid Ali
Yeah,
Khan.
I
Guys
didn't
who
say
are
I
watching-
didn't say motta and all. I
You
said
should.
chairman. I gave respect.
Oh, lol, lol, lol.
I gave respect.
How much you're talking about him, I know.
Oh, good now. How much he good?
Yeah, how much bad you're talking about him,
Allah,
I
that
know.
was the fellow. Guys, you
Okay.
can see.
Chumma don't say. I will send this vlog to everybody. And what I was about to say, yeah, I ate pani puri, I ate bel puri.
Anyways, they
I
are not going to increase salary. I don't want everything.
Come on. Then,
Huh?
then
Then leave. Everybody should
now you want to
your
tell
bosses
me,
what
tell her what?
tell bata.
I told 4 times, you stopped me.
Okay.
I'm not going
Hey. Oh, hello. Hey, you can get upset on me, but not on social media. Please. Tell.
Pani puri, bel puri, roast mawa lassi. Arabdi
That you
with,
drank, not eat.
Yeah. That also went in my stomach only, no, when somewhere else was. Roast mawa lassi, jalebi with rabdi, which that guy is still eating. And now, aloo tikki chat.
So here.
And I'm not able to eat now.
Even.
I went to 5-star hotel.
Yeah.
Manchester hotel.
Yeah.
I ate so many. And I saw Tamanna, Nara.
Yeah.
Then who's the guy?
Yeah. See, Tiger Show he doesn't
Tiger
remember.
So I wish of name is
Gaji
forgot.
is Gaji.
Okay.
Finish.
Till here I ate.
Finish. One more bite for your subscriber only. Allah, if I will say one bite for me, she will not eat.
Why I have to eat?
That's what I'm saying. See guys, for this you should
Subscribe.
subscribe, bro.
Subscribe.
Not subscribe.
Subscribe.
I just
If
want
you
to
have
laugh.
watched the
स्लो है सब्सक्राइब करने
you
If
I am owning the YouTube channel or you guys are owning the YouTube channel? I know.
you bacha, sorry bacha. Only I was.
When I am stopping only you should talk. Don't interfere.
Okay.
Or else I will remove everyone from the company.
Okay.
What I was about to say. If you have watched them.
Oh.
என்ன மயிருக்கு இப்ப நீ அந்த கண்ணாடியில நொட்டணும் அது?
No, this also very good.
இல்ல கண்ணாடி அங்க இருக்கு.
Continue. It will wait.
Nothing go.
Till then. It was so important that till.
No.
வீடியோ எண்ட்.
If you have watched the vlog till here, put one. I'll that bomb emoji because I banged my head. No, I was about to say something emoji, but
Now.
put that bomb black color bomb emoji. Type that emoji in comment if you have watched the vlog till here. So if I'm getting that bomb emoji, I will know that you have watched the vlog till here. Okay, Monday is free.
Monday sir.
My brain has come this side.
Hey, my phone is charging or not?
No. Hey,
Check it out.